Hi, this is Srinivasan Ramanujam. Welcome to Deep Mind Systems Technology. Right. This time, I'm coming with you like a very fun element, how to create your own music. Okay. Along with the lyrics. Okay. I just play you one music that I have just created, just now. Okay. So, and then, we'll discuss how we have to create and what would be the technology behind this. Okay. Right. So this is a lyric, and yeah, this is. So this is the music just I have created, and how do we? I mean, how it just generates along with the lyrics. All right. So we'll just see how to create, and then we'll just see the technology behind and what all the APIs we are just doing it. So this is the AI singing.ai. So explore AI music. It's a free singing voice generator. You can generate your own voice, and also you can generate the free music, right? You can also custom. So this is the AI music composer playground. You can create your own. And you have to give the situation for whom you wanted to create. And for this, you should have some points because I just have the 3 points. And within that 3 points, and I have created, I mean, automatically create two music. Okay, two albums and two files. It has been created. And I wanted to create more. I need to have some credits and I need to upgrade. Maybe I have to be a customer for them. I have to subscribe $20 per month. It will take, and I'll show you the page. And before that, what I mean, where it will just give, and where just the prompt has been created as a song description. You have to describe, or you have to just give the prompt for whom you are going to write, and on for whom or for who and what purpose you are going to write. Is it on a holiday? It is a tour. Is there any common thing you wanted to write? Then you can just go ahead and give the, describe it. And you can select, instrumental part, even, for that, you don't have to select a lyric without lyric, and you can just play just a music. That is also possible. And it can be, the music generated this time, it will be displayed publicly. If you don't want, you can just, switch off and switch on, and it is up to you. Okay, so I just created, a lyric, just giving, given the prompt, and this is the lyric. And for this, it has automatically create, and I have given a tone of the music, and I have given the tone like the classic. So in that classic, it has given acoustic classic. and art felt classic, and that is what the song heard. And this is also the other type of thing. The same, it is a different thing. Same lyric. So here is the download option. If you click on the download option, which is just asking you need to upgrade to download music. So I need to pay for that, maybe per month. The pricing part would be like the 20, I mean $19.99. So you can have the 200 credits, and you'll be able to create 400 songs, right? And it is valid for a month, and it has its own 30-day history. Okay. So this is one kind of AI generated, automatically generated music, and it has a lot of products. AI music generator, song lyrics generator, song style generator, and all these things. And you can discover AI music, right? And search AI music, and more music genres you'll also be able to find. So actually, this is the chat.tts.com, the text to speech for conversational scenarios. So they have these kind of free AI music and singing voice generated online, and they have they just tried out. This is basically from Chinese application, and they have their own a GitHub profile, and you can also go and check. And also, moreover, I mean, I wanted to give you as a surprise, how to create music online, and you'll enjoy your own lyrics, right? And this is based upon from the open source chatgps.com, and this is open source, and even for them, you can also go and check their profile on multi-language support, large data training, dialogue cross compatibility, open source plans, controlling security, and user fees. This actually it's very very easy, and you don't have to do anything for text to speech. Similarly, you can also create your own voice for music creation. Okay. So it is just go hand in hand with respect to ChatGPT, right? You can download the GitHub profile and then install dependencies and ChatGPT library. In Torch, you can import required libraries like Torch, ChatGPT, and IPython display, and import audio and initialize ChatGPT, and then you prepare your text, and you can generate speech and play the audio and complete the script. Whatever the script you are giving in this scenario, it's like hello, how are you doing? I'm just asking very simple. uh, we able to understand English. So I'm just asking with random. It is generating now. It is a text-to-speech language model. From this text-to-speech, they just created a AI singing.ai. So this is the application. Okay. So this is basically, yeah, now it has been generated. And there have been, the multiple things, and you have to take care of the temperatures and other things. These are all the generative AI concept, and how it has been, how matter the temperature is matter for us, and if it is point 0.3 or point 0.3 or whatever it is, and these are all the things we are learning from the AI course or Gen AI course. If you would like to join my course, you can also always welcome. So the thing is, it is giving some kind of a there is no punctuation. That is why it is just giving something. Maybe I will give space. Again, I'm just regenerating for this text. Right now, it is somewhat. So it is still, this kind of a training, this model is, needs to get more of an accuracy. Still, there is no the punctuation, the past, the emotion, still needs to be improved. So those kind of things, already we have a good version of the text-to-speech model, but the chat GPS, it is well known for its own, model. And they have trained almost, approximately 100,000 hours of Chinese and English data for training. So it is, for this model, this is working fine, and a lot of people are using to implement how this is working. And you always go and import all these libraries, and from GitHub you'll be able to work on this model, and you can give your own script, and you know perfectly fine, and you can create that. And how you have to from text to speech, and how this a text lyric generated and music generated, and how this training is made, then you'll just uh, go and do some basic research. Maybe some other time, and I will come back with that kind of a open source model. And you also know it is very easy to find out this kind of things. Just go and, you know, uh, do the basic research, then definitely you'll be able to find out. Uh, Design for musicians and enthusiasts, innovative AI technology, and you can, if you have any kind of a question, then you always you can ask them. Otherwise, you can also discover more on how this application is working. That is also possible. Okay. So this is interesting. It is not only just once we are from the front end, and once we are just consuming things. This is really you can create something on your own, and you can enjoy the music you'll be creating. And it just I mean, give you so much of intuition, or the power or potential to think, or it will actually broaden up your thought process. So that is what the AI is doing. That is the power of AI. And we have to use a different kind of genre, and how well it is just not going in one direction, it is going in the opposite direction. So we can think, and we can do a lot of things. So I'll come up with next time with uh, very fun part of the AI, and also we just little bit learning through technology. Let's see, and thank you for watching this. And I'll stop share, and I'll end this piece. Thank you so much. Bye bye.